our good friend. We've come to be with you again. On to go Casper and Oodie Poo. I'm sure Fingar's somewhere in there too. And Erna's in the window looking through. She sees you. And there's the sound of snoring. Going to Foggertoon at 10.
More like 11.
Olga ran to town again. Nobody ever knows where he goes. He also forgot to pick up his clothes. And Carl M is getting red again at B-Pen. There's the sounds of coughing. Saying sauce again. He'll show up only God knows when. Jürgen is stumbling through Norwegian things. He's finally gotten good at Nguting. Finn Einar's yelling, whose socks are these? Probably me. And the beast is growling. Patrick's nestling you again. Canoes on leather shoe FM. Anna's out digging in the sand. Ansu goes on the hunt for contraband. And Ludwig's got his Japanese book in hand. Norwegian cam. And there's the sound, kablamo. R's working on his chest. One day he might just be the best. Casper is sleeping through mid-Oxford. He stopped exploding kidneys round the board. Avoiding awkward clems. Chin moo chin. And it's the sound of Bergen.